Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. So this video will cover another dialogue which I feel it's a very important one, and it's very different from the other dialogues that I have uploaded. So this will give you a new feel of how can dialogues be. So this is a very important one. Before starting this, I would kindly request you to subscribe to my channel and also let other people know about it. Okay, it's a humble request from my side. Now we'll start the dialogue, and here is the introductory statement. This dialogue takes place between two neighbors. They are discussing about building a new fence between their houses. Okay, so the dialogue begins now. Good morning, Mrs. Sharma. Is everything all right? Why are you ringing my doorbell so early in the morning? सुप्रभात श्रीमती शर्मा, क्या सब ठीक है? आप सुबह सुबह मेरे दरवाजे की घंटी क्यों बजा रही हैं? नमस्ते बेथ, कोई गंभीर बात नहीं। मैं एक नई बाड़ के निर्माण के संबंध में कुछ चर्चा करने चाहूँगी। हेलो बेथ, नथिंग सीरियस। I would like to discuss about something about the construction of a new fence. A new fence? What's wrong with the existing one? If I remember correctly, the fence was built when you built your house around 3 years ago. एक नई बाड़? मौजूदा के साथ क्या गलत है? अगर मुझे सही याद है तो बाड़ का निर्माण तब किया गया था जब आपने लगभग 3 साल पहले अपना घर बनाया था। आप सही हैं। बस ऐसा है कि अभी हाल ही में हमने अपनी घर को पुनर्निर्मित करवाया है और उसे 2 मंजिला घर में बदल दिया है। मुझे लगता है कि आपके घर से हमारा मुख्य शयन कक्ष और तरणताल दिखता है, और मेरा मानना है कि यह गोपनीयता संबंधी चिंता है। You are right. It's just that we recently got our house renovated and converted it to a double-story house. I feel our main bedroom and swimming pool is visible from your house, and I believe this is a privacy concern. That's true. It's clearly visible. However, both of us are retired and we do not have any savings. Our only medium of income is through support pension from Centrelink. यह सच है। यह स्पष्ट रूप से दिखाई देता है। हालांकि हम दोनों सेवानिवृत्त हैं और हमारे पास कोई बचत नहीं है। हमारी आय का एकमात्र माध्यम सेंट्रलिंक से समर्थन पेंशन है। मैं आपकी स्थिति को समझती हूँ। सबसे पहले मुझे आपकी अनुमति चाहिए और उसके बाद ही मैं हमारे स्थानीय परिषद के पास जा सकती हूँ और बाढ़ के पुनर्निर्माण के लिए उन्हें वैध कारण बता सकती हूँ। I understand your situation. First of all, I need your permission, and only then I can go to our local council and give them valid reasons for rebuilding the fence. Okay, I get it now. We do not have any issue with replacing or rebuilding a new fence because we value your privacy. But how would we arrange the money for that? ठीक है, अब मैं समझी। हमें बाढ़ को बदलने या उसके पुनर्निर्माण को लेकर कोई आपत्ति नहीं है, क्योंकि हम आपकी गोपनीयता को महत्व देते हैं। लेकिन हम उसके लिए पैसे की व्यवस्था कैसे करेंगे? सबसे पहले मैं एक निर्माणकर्ता को बुलाऊंगी और उससे बाढ़ के पुनर्निर्माण के लिए अनुमानित खर्च प्राप्त करूंगी। मैं इस विषय के बारे में अपने पति से भी चर्चा करूंगी। First of all, I will call a builder and get the estimated cost for the fence reconstruction. I will also discuss about this subject with my husband. Thank you so much. Since we paid half of the amount last time, is it possible that this time we only pay 1/3 of the total amount? आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। चूँकि हमने पिछली बार आधी राशि का भुगतान किया था, क्या यह संभव है कि इस बार हम कुल राशि का केवल 1/3 भुगतान करें? बेथ, हमारे भी बहुत सारे खर्च हैं और बिलों का भुगतान करना है। हमारी पूरी बचत इस नवीकरण कार्य में चली गई और अब हमें गृह ऋण के लिए $5,555 की मासिक किस्त चुकानी होगी। Beth, we also have a lot of expenses and bills to pay. All our savings went into this renovation work, and now we have to pay a monthly installment of $5,555 for the home loan. I understand, but you both are young and working. Think about our situation. We are dependent on government for income, and we have to make both ends meet with that amount. मैं समझती हूँ, लेकिन आप दोनों जवान हैं और काम कर रहे हैं। हमारी स्थिति के बारे में सोचिए। हम आय के लिए सरकार पर निर्भर हैं और हमें उस राशि से अपना सारा खर्च पूरा करना होता है। ठीक है बेथ, मैं बाड़ बनाने वाले को बुलाऊंगी और मैं आपको बिल की रसीद भी दूंगी। जैसा कि हमने चर्चा की है, आप कुल खर्च का 1/3 भुगतान कर सकती हैं। हमारे साथ सहयोग करने के लिए धन्यवाद। आप बहुत सहायक हैं। Okay, Beth, I will call the fence builder and I will also give you a receipt of the bill. As we have discussed, you can pay 1/3 of the total expenses. Thank you for cooperating with us. You are very supportive. No problem. Please keep me informed about the progress. Thank you for considering our situation. Have a good day. कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। कृपया मुझे प्रगति के बारे में बताते रहना। हमारी स्थिति पर विचार करने के लिए धन्यवाद। आपका दिन शुभ हो। So this is the end of the dialogue. Now we are going to go into the vocab section, and I will point out some important words or some words which I feel are good to know in this particular dialogue. So the first one is doorbell, दरवाजे की घंटी, बाड़ which means fence, निर्माण either construction or building. Building here is a verb and it doesn't mean building as in a noun. That building is called bhavan. Okay, so building here is a verb. Existing one means maujuda. पुनर्निर्मित means renovated. दो मंजिला means double story. बदल दिया means converted. मुख्य शयन कक्ष. Okay, so bedroom is called shayan kaksh and mukhya means main. Taran tal means swimming pool. दिखता या दिखाई देता है means visible. गोपनीयता संबंधी चिंता means privacy concern. गोपनीयता means privacy and चिंता means concern. Clearly means स्पष्ट रूप से. Retired means सेवानिवृत्त. सेविंग्स मीन्स बचत. मीडियम यू कैन आइदर ट्रांसलेट इट टू माध्यम और साधन, बोथ आर करेक्ट. इनकम यू कैन आइदर ट्रांसलेट इट टू आय और आमदनी, हियर ऑल्सो बोथ कैन बी यूज्ड. सपोर्ट पेंशन मीन्स समर्थन पेंशन. स्थिति मीन्स सिचुएशन. अनुमति मीन्स परमिशन. स्थानीय परिषद means local council. As we know, local we say it स्थानीय and परिषद means council. पुनर्निर्माण means rebuilding or reconstruction. Issue means आपत्ति. Replacing means बदलना. Arrange means व्यवस्था करना या बंदोबस्त करना. निर्माणकर्ता means builder. अनुमानित खर्च, so अनुमानित means estimated and खर्च can be cost or expense. Discuss means चर्चा करना. विषय means subject. 1/3 means 1/3. नवीकरण कार्य means renovation work. So renovation is translated as नवीकरण and कार्य as we know it is work. So नवीकरण कार्य is renovation work. मासिक किस्त means monthly installment, as we all are aware. So मासिक means monthly and किस्त means installment. गृह ऋण means home loan. young means जवान. dependent on government means सरकार पर निर्भर. Okay, make both ends meet, this is actually a, you can call it a idiom or proverb. So you cannot say, you cannot literally translate as like okay दोनों सिरों को मिलाना. Okay, you cannot do that. Make both ends meet is actually an idiom or a proverb which means that we have to survive within that, which means अपना सारा खर्च पूरा करना. Okay, बाड़ बनाने वाले या बाड़ बनाने वाला, that means fence builder. रसीद means receipt. सहयोग करना और सहयोग देना, that means cooperating. सहायक means supportive. Progress means प्रगति. Considering means विचार करना. So guys, this is the end of the 50-second dialogue. One good news is that we are about to hit the 100 mark in terms of videos that are uploaded. When I started this channel, I never thought that I will go so far. It is only because of the love and support that you guys have given to me, okay, that I am able to carry on with it, and I am even trying to better myself so that I can align my videos as per your requirements. So if you like the content that I put in this particular video, kindly give a thumbs up and tell me what did you like most about it, okay. And also, if you want me to upload some other videos on particular subject, then you, or particular topic, then you tell me, and I will make sure that I do that. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Please keep showing me love, okay. So subscribe to my channel. From that I'll know that, okay, yeah, people are really interested in the content that I'm putting up, and it will be a big motivation factor for me. Press on the bell icon so that you do not miss any notification, and whenever I upload any video, you directly get notified, and then you can have a look at it. Also share this content and other videos with other NAATI aspirants, so that the way it is benefiting you, even those people can be benefited. It will actually be a gift that you can give to someone, because I believe that if I had such a channel when I was preparing for NAATI, I would love to share it with everyone, okay. And so here I am ending the video. Thank you so much for watching this. Have a nice day. Bye bye.